today my topic is aggregate impact value of aggregate. These are the operators which are used for the checking the aggregate impact value. Basically, this test is used for the toughness value of the aggregate. So, firstly discuss about what are the significance of this test and what are the procedure for the conducting toughness value of the aggregate and what are the IS specification for this test value. So, firstly is the significance of this. It signifies the superiority of aggregate regarding the toughness for the pavement construction. And after this, the road aggregate subjected to the bonding action due to traffic load, so possibility of the breaking. It should be tested, should be tough enough to proper aggregate should be used. And what are the procedure for this test? Firstly, the aggregate should be sealed in 12.5 IS seal and which are retained on the 10 mm seal and in a cylindrical measure and tamping with each layer with 25 rows, and these weights are denoted by W1 weight. After this, the sample is transferred to the cup in a cup of the aggregate and impact this mold, and after this compacted tamping with 25 tank, and the hammer height is 38 cm in this test from the upper surface of the aggregate and it allows freely on this specimen. After 25 rows, which are truss aggregate, is sealed to the IS 2.36 MC, and this weight is denoted by W2. And the aggregate impact value is the ratio W2 to the W1 and percentage calculated into multiplied into 100. So these are calculated numerical equation value for this aggregate impact value. And what are the IS specification for this test? For WPM, that is water macadam surface force, the aggregate impact maximum value is 50%. For cement concrete base force, 45%. For bitumen macadam pavement, that value is 35%. And water macadam surface force, the value is different. For in this value is 30%. And bitumen building surface, that value is 30%. So these are all about the impact test of the aggregate. Thank you very much.